for a coffee break. The people who know me know I love a good cup of coffee, and this is my coffee setup for on the go. Of course I use propane because it's cheap, you get it everywhere, and my gas stove is from BRS, which is I think the cheapest gas stove on the market. It weighs 25 grams, so it's perfect for backpacking, hiking, but also it's small and compact and you can use it everywhere. My pot is a Tox titanium pot with 750 milliliters, which is also ultralight. Of course we need water. Thank you. As a grinder we have the Timor C3 Chestnut Pro, and I got coffee from one of my most favorite coffee roasters in Göteborg, Sweden, from Gringo Coffee with a fermented Colombia coffee. My coffee maker of choice is the standard AeroPress, which we use at home. While we boil the water, I will grind the coffee because it's noisy. And now we wait for 4 minutes. While we wait, we insert the filter and put away the stuff we don't need anymore. First to give it a stir and wait for 30 seconds, because then the blooming phase is better and you get more aroma in your coffee. And now it's time for coffee. And now we enjoy a good cup of coffee with a nice view. Cheers!
Cheers!